Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. In Auburn Hills, where seasonal weather fluctuations can be dramatic, proper window maintenance is essential to keep your home safe, warm, and visually appealing. However, even the best-maintained windows can develop issues over time. Here are some common window maintenance problems homeowners in Auburn Hills face and how to fix them. Drafty windows. Drafty windows are a frequent complaint in Auburn Hills, especially during the chilly winter months. Gaps or cracks around the window frame allow cold air to seep into your home, causing discomfort and higher energy bills. Solution: seal the gaps. Use weather stripping or caulking to seal gaps around the window frame. Replace worn seals. Over time, the seals around double-paned windows can degrade, leading to drafts. Replacing these seals can restore the window's efficiency. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. If your windows are old and persistently drafty, consider replacing them with energy-efficient models designed for Michigan's climate. Foggy windows. Fogging between window panes is a common issue in Auburn Hills, particularly with older double-pane or triple-pane windows. This occurs when the seal between panes fails, allowing moisture to enter. Solution: repair the seal. Some companies specialize in defogging windows and repairing seals, which can be a cost-effective solution. Replace the glass. If the damage is extensive, replacing the glass unit may be necessary. Upgrade to new windows. If fogging is a recurring issue, investing in new windows with better seals and warranties may be the best long-term solution. Sticking or difficult to open windows. Windows that stick or are difficult to open and close are not only frustrating but also a potential safety hazard, especially in emergencies. Solution: clean the tracks. Dirt and debris often accumulate in the tracks, causing friction. Use a vacuum or a soft brush to clean them thoroughly. Lubricate moving parts. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks to ensure smooth operation. Adjust or replace hardware. Check for misaligned or damaged hardware and replace it if necessary. Water leaks. Heavy rainfall in Auburn Hills can reveal issues with window waterproofing. Water leaks can damage your walls, flooring, and even the structural integrity of your home. Solution: inspect and repair caulking. Regularly check the caulking around your windows and reapply it if cracks are visible. Check the flashing. Ensure that the flashing around your windows is in good condition and directing water away from the structure. Install storm windows. These can provide an extra layer of protection against water intrusion. Broken or cracked glass. Accidents, storms, or old age can result in cracked or broken window glass, compromising your home's security and energy efficiency. Solution: temporary fix. Use clear tape or a plastic sheet to cover the crack and prevent further damage until a permanent repair can be made. Replace the glass. Hire a professional to replace the glass or consider upgrading to tempered or laminated glass for added durability. Condensation buildup. Condensation on the interior surface of your windows is common in Auburn Hills due to the region's humid summers and cold winters. Solution: improve ventilation. Use exhaust fans and dehumidifiers to reduce indoor humidity. Upgrade to insulated glass. Windows with better insulation reduce the likelihood of condensation forming. Peeling paint or wood rot. Wooden window frames are prone to peeling paint and rot, especially in Auburn Hills' variable weather conditions. Solution: repaint and seal. Sand down peeling areas, apply a primer, and repaint using weather-resistant paint. Treat and repair rot. Use a wood hardener to stabilize rotted areas and fill gaps with epoxy before repainting. Consider vinyl or aluminum frames. These materials are more weather-resistant and require less maintenance than wood. Preventive maintenance tips for Auburn Hills homeowners. To minimize window maintenance issues, consider the following tips. Perform regular inspections, especially after storms. Clean your windows, tracks, and screens at least twice a year. Check and replace weather stripping annually. Invest in quality windows with warranties tailored for Auburn Hills climate. Final thoughts. Maintaining your windows in Auburn Hills doesn't have to be a daunting task. By addressing common problems early and investing in preventive care, you can extend the lifespan of your windows, enhance your home's energy efficiency, and improve its curb appeal. If the issues persist or repairs seem overwhelming, don't hesitate to consult a professional window repair or replacement service. With proper care, your windows will continue to keep your home comfortable and secure for years to come.